What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Dolly the Doughgirl from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson on the top left side of our page with the bow. So we're going to start with the knot with an oval. Starting from the very top, we're just going to angle this down towards the left. Go up, just close off the top. Now let's draw the left side of the bow. We're going to step over, going up and then out. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Now we're going to move down towards the bottom. Come down and out. And then we'll round out the outside, curving the top, coming along the side, and then round out the bottom. Let's add the fold along the outside of the knot. Starting from the top, we're going to add one across the top, going up and out. Step down, add one more. Now with the bow in place, we're going to draw a large circle with the head in behind. Let's start from the bottom corner, come all the way around toward the bottom of the head. Now it's going to work our way across and up along the right side and go in behind the side of the bow. Let's add in the top edge of the mouth, starting on the left side, bend this down, across, and then up. Let's round out the corners of the mouth. And we'll trace the head along the bottom, coming down, across, and then back up. Now along the bottom of the mouth, we're going to add the tongue. So we'll step over towards the left, we're going to add a fold. We're going to go up, bend that down, step back, go up, and then back down. Let's go up to the top and draw on the lip. We're going to start with a point in the center, curve the left side, going up and then down, go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. Now in the middle, we're going to move up and draw on the top edge of the eyes, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this up, around, and then down. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's round up the inside of the eye, coming around and then out. Let's going to curve the bottom of the eye, going up and then out, and then round out the end. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the necklace. We're going to start right in the middle with a circle. Let's layer two more circles along the side, starting on the left, going around, just tuck that in, do the same thing on the right. Let's add one more, going up toward the top, and then pulling that in toward the side. Now from underneath the head, we're going to draw the side of the neck. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this in and then down on both sides. Now the body is going to curve out across the belly and then in towards the legs. So we're going to leave a gap underneath the necklace, start on the left side. We're going to bend this out, round out the belly, and then bend that in. Let's go all the way over towards the right and do the same thing. Going out, around, and then in. Let's leave a gap for the legs and go in towards the inside, curve this down, and then up. Now let's tuck the legs in underneath, leaving a large gap in the center. We're going to go all the way towards the left side, bend this down across the foot, and then out. And do the exact same thing on the right. Let's round out the toe, and then bend that in. Now from the top of the foot, step out, bend the leg coming in, and then up underneath the body. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the left arm waving across the side. So we're going to start underneath the necklace. We're going to bend the arm coming down, round out the arm, and then bend that in towards the thumb. Want to round out the thumb and then bend that back out. Now I'm going to add 3 fingers. Starting down here, we're going to go up, round out the finger, and come down, round out the bottom, bend this back up across the second finger, round out the top, and then bend that back down. Now I'm going to add 1 more finger. Again, rounding out the bottom, going up, round out the finger, and come all the way down towards the bottom of the arm, to right about here. I just want to taper the arm so it gets narrower as you come back in towards the side of the body. Now the arm on the right is going to be coming down and then out. So we're going to start from the side of the body, coming down and out. Just going to blend this in towards the thumb, round out the thumb, and then bend that back in. Now I'm going to curl the fingers going up. So let's start with the first finger, going out and then up toward the tip, round out the finger, coming down and then in. Now I want to layer 2 more fingers in behind. So I'm going to start halfway along this finger, going up, round this out, and come in. Let's do that one more time. Coming up, and then in. Now I want to bring the arm back in underneath the necklace. So I'm going to bend this in, and then up. Now with the body in place, let's add that pattern inside. So we're going to start with the left side on top of the arm, and go up, come down, and then up. Let's add some fingers. Just going to round this out. I'm just going to add 3 on the ends. Bring this in and up. Round out the top. Come down and then out. Let's add 1 coming from the right side. And bend this around and then down. Again, adding those 3 pointed fingers. Go up, down, and out towards the side. Let's add 1 more across the bottom. We're going to start from the side of the body. Start by going up. Just going to add that wave in the center. Swirl this around and in on the right side. Now I'm going to add those 3 fingers. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Dolly the Doughgirl from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.